Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit at Web for one more learning video tutorial. And today I'm gonna talk about Python Lambda functions. Okay, so I've already done a video and provided the code related to how you can develop a portfolio screener in Excel using Python, and even how you can analyze those through Grok chatbot AI. Okay, so what is the benefits of utilizing Grok chatbot instead of ChatGPT? I've been explaining this video, so please do check it out. Okay, so you should not get confused with your AWS Lambda. Okay, I mean, if you try to find it out some of the meanings, okay, especially like their Lambda functions, if you just give the code, it will work. So instead of just defining, if you just put over there, instead of like giving in any of your Amazon EC2 or a virtual machine, if you give the code in a Lambda functions, it works best. Okay, especially in AWS Lambda. Okay, so what we are doing, we are utilizing this Lambda functions. So we can say it's a Lambda expression. So mainly, what Lambda expressions does? It is same thing. We can utilize as we are utilizing this def module. Okay, define module. Let's just say def module. Okay. So what we used to do, we used to define certain stuff, and then we need to call the return. So same thing we can do in Lambda. So I will show you my code. So as of right now, what I've been done, I've just put the code in this my ID and run this stuff, and I've been updated this file, which is this. Okay, so if you try to run this as of Excel file is there, it will definitely gonna give you error. Okay, so if I show you this, so this kind of error you will get, because the read and write issues will appear as a permissions denied. Okay, so you need to aware what exactly you are doing. As of right now, what we are doing is like we are in a comfortable situation. We will try to read from the URL provided from our upstocks, where we used to get the last price. So we got futures symbols, which is meant for option trading as well, for the derivatives. So same here we are doing. Okay, so utilizing this stuff, sorting out, and then we are getting into our Excel, and then at the end what we can do, we can utilize one of the best read and write module. Okay, that I believe Excel Wings will be best, or otherwise you can go with OpenPy Excel or any of the things which is best for you. Okay, so as of I believe creating an portfolio option screener is what we're looking as of right now. Okay, so in this main part, because if I get with two things, string matching will be there, string contents will be there, sorting will be there, so a lot of stuff we used to do. So especially in this coding I've been done a lot. Okay, so same thing, I'll go with the Lambda. So I'm taking out this Lambda functions entirely out from our developing screener, but I'm including this stuff because to recognize this is one of the best option if exactly you're dealing with the data frame and want to utilize instead of for loop, and even you can utilize some of the if conditions, all of the stuff. So I think this Lambda functions is best. It comes with one of the main point, it is so first of all, the main reason I was just talking about. So first of all, this things have been updated. So as you can see, what I'm looking for is so many things are with this with the prices. So as of right now, I'm trying to dump the data. So this is the best. So earlier you just set it out, and for read and write purpose you are utilizing some kind of a module. So whichever it's the best, go for that thing. Okay, so my main purpose is below 500. I want to take it out this stocks and I want to analyze. Okay, and whichever the best, I want to go for the trading. Okay, so less than 500 I want to go. Okay, so let's do this stuff. So I just take it out. So in this case I have to do nothing. So already each and everything it's cooked. Okay, so only the thing is I have to do is like add few of the stuff. So it's here if I try to print it, it's taking NaN values. So I will drop it here. And before adding all those stuff, I want to show you the main some of the simple stuff. So if I try to add, that will be like much simpler method. Okay, but I think you need to understand what you are doing. Okay, so if I say that when I'm defining certain kind of things, okay, if I say add and I need to define the module, and then what I'm doing, I used to put is to, and then one more thing which I can do is I can say as a return and can put something in same line. I can say this stuff. Okay, this I just return, and then what I can say is definitely 10 plus x. Okay, so that's what I can say about this stuff. Okay, now if I print and add certain stuff, say add, and if I just give 5, so 10 plus 5, 15 will be there. So at least 15 is giving me the results. And if I put the lambda, same thing, I just try to put in a lambda. So instead of define model, so it does the same thing. Okay, so instead of every time you're just defining each and everything containing in a single line and do this and that stuff, so instead of definition, if you just get with the lambda. Okay, so I just get you the Python syntax for it. So lambda is like this, and it will be like arguments will be there. Okay, and especially I believe arguments, and then is to expression. So you can give it any arguments you want, but expression whatever we try to evaluate and get it the expression. So we try to evaluate the arguments and we'll get in expression. So this is how it will go. So as we did add, so we'll try to do it in this. So I will say print this lambda, then what we can say that lambda got certain stuff. So x is to we can say x plus 10. Okay, so in this, if we are defining and we are giving certain stuff, as in we can say x equals, and so x is already built in. If I say x of 10, so what we'll get here? Okay, so here as you can see we are getting 20. Okay, so that is how you can call the lambda. Okay, so x equals you can say lambda, and anything which you want to define you can say in this way, and try to get the way you're looking for. Okay, so this is how you will do, and you can give anything. You can give it two things. Okay, x comma y, and we can say x plus y. Okay, so that is how we can say, and we can give it as in y, and we can say what is the value we got. Okay, so 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 10 is 25. So that is how we deal with the lambda functions. So you got these things. So instead of definition, just give it in this way, and take it the way you're looking for. So you can utilize this in list, okay, in any of for loop or if functions, whichever is there you want to apply, you can utilize this. So instead it is a sort method. Instead of defining, you can say lambda, and you will give it each and everything as you're looking for. Okay, so I will do it a simpler method. So what we can say here, we just have to trading symbol, as in I got this stuff, then I need to define, I need to sort trading symbol much more. So what we can say, the trading symbol, here we used to get with the matching, sorting, all kind of stuff. So what we can say that last price we are trying to get, and I need to get less than 500. So trading symbol of the last price. Okay, and I have to give an apply method. So if I give it an apply method, it applies to all, and I just have to come with this, say lambda x. So lambda x in the sense last price, x into x is to x less than 500. So this is my entirely. So I have to put for loop, and I have to give the if conditions. So all I have to do, so instead of this, what I have to do, just apply the lambda functions, and it will give me what I'm looking for. So x 500 will be this. Let's see what I got in my trading symbol. Okay. So let's see what I got. So as you can see, I am able to see the stuff, whichever it is available, and we are able to see this stuff as a below 500. Okay, so this is also, we can put this as of NSE dot XLS. Okay, we try to put this as already each and everything is sorted out. Okay, so instead of drop, we just try to set the index as a symbol, and this will be NSE 500. So below 500, whatever it is there, just we try to put this stuff. Okay. Okay, so at least a 72 list we got. Okay, so we'll check this out. Okay, so as you can see, we tried to get this list, and we sorted out. This is also, it is there. And now what we can do, we try to get with our chatbot, that is Grok, and we can try to analyze which will be the best in this list. Okay, so we'll put this in our Grok chatbot, and it will give you the best results. Okay, so I've already discussed in my previous video. Okay, so I must say, check this out and try to utilize Lambda as much as possible. And if you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me direct by WhatsApp. Thank you.